Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to show you how to enroll in Woodforest National Bank online banking. We will also put links in the description below for various banks that offer sign-up bonuses for opening a checking account. To start, open the website woodforest.com. You will then be directed to this page and you'll see an option for Enroll. Click on Enroll. Next, click on the Enroll Now button. Now we'll start with identity verification. First, select the identification type, either your SSN, driver's license, or the other options, in order to verify your identity. After selecting, enter the identification number. For additional self-verification, click on the option that says a Woodforest account or debit card number. Then enter all the required additional information. Then click on Continue. Read and review the service agreement. Then click on I accept. For optional services, it will ask if you'd like to enroll in e-statement services. Click on the option you wish to select. Also, it needs to verify if you're able to view PDFs. Attached in the PDF is a code. Enter the code on the field provided. Then click on Submit. After that, read and review the terms. Once read, click on the tick box to verify that you can view PDF documents and consent to the terms above. Then click on I accept. Now, set up your user profile. On the fields provided, enter the email address, username, and password you wish to use. Then click on Continue. Lastly, set up security questions. These are for additional identity verification. Select 3 security questions and provide answers. Then click on Continue. And now your enrollment is complete. That's how you enroll in Woodforest National Bank online banking. Thank you so much guys for watching. And if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.